Hi guys, join me as I make the sweetest candied yams ever. This candy yam is the best dish or side dish to complement your turkey or ham for the holidays. So we're going to be using these sweet potatoes. Well, they call it yams. I don't know why they call it yams, but it's really sweet potatoes anyway. So I'm going to be using the sweet potatoes, and we're going to peel and we're going to cut that into circles. So while peeling, make sure you peel, or should I say double peel, so that you can be able to get that orange color. The white color is really tough, but when you double peel, you can be able to get this orange. So after peeling, you're going to go ahead, cut off the top of it here, I should say, and then you're going to cut it into circles. So that's the shape I cut mine into, and then I'm going to cut this into moon shape. I'm just going to cut the yams in two, then I'll slice it into half sides, or should I say moon shapes, yeah. So candy yams are really a staple in many holiday meals, and you know we're having holidays soon. Thanksgiving and Christmas is going to make for a wonderful meal or side dish for your food. So in a bowl, you're going to melt your butter. I'm using 1 cup of butter. You're going to melt it, and then you're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. Then go ahead and add half cup of white sugar, and then you're going to add your spices. You can really use any spice you want, but I used cinnamon, I used nutmeg, and I also went in with some vanilla extract, and then I also added some salt. You can add marshmallows if that's to your taste. Some people add whipped heavy cream if you want. Some people can just add any spice that you want. So when that's done, you're going to mix this together until it's properly mixed. Some people also add pecans, so if you have pecans, you can just add it for the garnish. So you're going to mix this until it's well combined, okay? Make sure it's mixed thoroughly. We don't want anybody having a mouthful of a mouthful of spices that is not thoroughly mixed. So make sure everything is incorporated well. So now it's time to assemble your yams. In a large baking tray or baking pan, create a single layer of the yams. You can overlap them a bit if you need to, but try to keep them in a single layer, okay? So then you're going to sprinkle or pour in half of your sugar mixtures over the top of the yams. All right, so you're just going to do the same thing. Repeat the process until it's all covered, until the yams are all covered with the sugar mixtures. So when you're done with that, you're going to cover with aluminum foil, and then we are going to bake this in a preheated oven, all right, for around 1.5 hours. Okay, So halfway through, I brought it out, gave it a mix just to make sure everything is going well. I mixed it up again and then I place it back in the oven to continue cooking. So you're going to cook that until the yams are very tender and caramelized. All right. All right, guys, here is it. The moment we have all been waiting for. The yams are finished cooking and they look amazing. Just look at that beautiful glossy finish. It's like they're glowing from within. And the aroma, oh, the aroma is so nice. It's like someone poured a bottle of warm sticky syrup all over your kitchen. It's so nice, it looks so good. So just take a bite, close your eyes and let the sweetness watch over you. You're ready for the holidays with this recipe. Thanks so much for joining me in the kitchen today, friends. If you've got a favorite holiday recipe, let me hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to check out my other cooking videos for more delicious ideas to spice up your holiday spread. Happy cooking! And I will see you in my next video.